But the need is so big that in-house centers are a costly proposition for many companies. This has driven quite a few of them to shift their call center base to cheaper locations like India. This means that calls originating in the US may get routed to a center in India. The personnel here service the client with an access to the local company's database. They can also leave text instructions for the local company to physically deliver products or services. Clients abroad need specialized comprehension skills like understanding accents. So training of call center personnel also includes language training, and that too using all sorts of mediums. However, apart from trained personnel and a reliable telecommunication infrastructure and state-of-the-art technology in call routing and distribution function is a vital necessity. Industry people feel that this is one area which needs added attention in India. Though the initial turnover figures for the moment remain impressive, the nature of the job leads to a high rate of attrition. Thus, it has to be seen for how long will the industry boom in India. Call centers have witnessed remarkable growth in the past few years. That the call center has become an important segment in the IT-enabled sector is evident from the revenue projections being given out by experts. Call centers are expected to generate 20,000 crore rupees by the year 2008. With that kind of money to share, employees might not get tired of the job.
A few months back, a job in an infotech firm was a lucrative proposition. But the slowdown in the American economy took away much of its glory. The adverse effect of this economic downturn was evident mostly on the IT firms, costing many their jobs. For thousands of IT professionals, the search for a fresh job did not prove to be a happy one. The net appeared to be a relatively easy and the most visible medium to grab jobs. This hope among job seekers led to the overloading of many job-related sites, bringing both opportunities and challenges. Being the hotspot of IT professionals, the phenomenon didn't take much time to hit Indian shores. This in turn brought fresh challenges and competition amongst the various job sites for paid services. Hence, the job slump in the IT sector has led to more flow of revenue for them. With unemployment now a global problem, more and more jobless are taking the help of the net to seek jobs. The rate of jobs created, however, is far less than the rate of unemployed. To what extent now the sites cope up with this pressure remains to be seen.